Hi everyone, so welcome back to your own channel, that is Subjectsaholic, and I hope you have watched my previous videos, and if you like my video then keep watching it till the end. And in this tutorial we are going to practice the ratio proportion type questions. So my previous video is all about simple interest questions, and if you have not watched it yet, I recommend you to watch it to simplify practice your question to prepare for the MNCs. Now let's start with today's video of ratio proportion type questions. Our first question is the ratio of two numbers is 3. So we have two numbers provided, that is 3 ratio 5. If their sum is 40, the larger number is. If you know the answer, let me know in the comment box. And for the beginner who doesn't know how to solve this type of questions, let's get started to solve it. First of all, students, we have to assume. What we have to assume is that whatever the two numbers we are given with, like here 3 and 5. So we have to assume, let's assume that we have two numbers, that is 3x and 5x. Simple. Okay. Now we are provided with the sum of these two number is 40. So it means we should write like this: 3x plus 5x is equal to 40, right? So we have to mark it as an arrow to show that this is a new line. Alright students, so now we have the two numbers 3x and 5x. We are provided that the sum of these two number is 40. Now reading the question again, the larger number is, we are to ask that what is the larger number among them. Okay, so simply we have to sum it and we will get the response as 8x. So when we add 3x to 5x, we get the output as 8x, and we have to keep simplifying the equation by putting the right hand side value, that the sum of these two number is 40, right? Now getting the x value by dividing it with 40, we will simply get the output as 5, right? So the final output of x, we get the value of x as 5. We are asked that what is the larger number, or if we reverse the question, what is the smaller number. Simply we will get both the number by solving this equation. We have the first number with us. First number is that 3x, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 15. So we have solved this all in a one line, and we have the second number available, that is 5x. So we simply multiply 5 with the value of x, that is 5, is equal to 25. So the larger number here is 25. So choosing it among the options, we get the correct output as C, 25. I hope this question is clear to you, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can let me know in the comment box, and if you want to take the screenshot, you can either pause the video and ask me in the comment box. I will share you the solution in the comment box. Now moving ahead with a similar second question, and I hope you can solve it out by watching the previous one slide. Now question is, two numbers are in the ratio of 6:11. If their sum is 68, what is the smaller number? So basically this is the reverse question of the previous one. Solving it in the same method as we have solved earlier. So we have the, let's assume that the two numbers are 6 and x. So it means let's consider the first number as 6x and second number as 11x. Simple. Now it is said in the question that the sum of these two number is 68. So we will write like this: the sum of these two numbers are is equal to 68. Simple. We have to just simplify it by adding these two numbers, that is we will get the response as 17x is equal to 68. I hope this is clear. We are just adding the two numbers and by assuming that both the ratio are 6x and 11x. Okay. Now keeping x here, this is multiplied. This is basically getting multiplied. So if we see, this is basically getting multiplied. So this 17 will get divided here and we will get the response as 68 divided by 17. Right, students? Now if you keep dividing it, we will get the response as 4. Okay. Now x is equal to 4. We are getting the value of x as 4. So we can simply write it x is equal to 4. Now we are asked in the question to find out the smaller number, right? But for that, what we need to do is, our first number is to solve it by taking the value of x. So our first number is 6 multiply 4, that is 6x. So we get the output as 24, right, students? Second number, our second number is equal to 11 multiply by 4, that is equal to second number is 11, so that is equal to your 44. We are asked for the smaller number which is equal to 24. So this will be our output. Let's choose this among the options. So 24 will be our option C is correct. Right, students? So I hope this type of question is clear. So now whenever we have the ratio and proportion type question, this is a very basic type question. We need to understand the pattern. So for that, we have to, the ratio we are provided with, we just simply have to add it all and put it as x. Right, students? Now if we keep it as a x, we just need to sum it out, and once it is getting added, we just need to divide it out because it is multiplying here. Now once we get the divided it, we will receive the output of, or we can say the value of x. Simply now I hope you will get the confidence to solve the third type of question, and if you get the enough confidence to solve this type of question, please do let me know in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys. Now two numbers are in the ratio of 4:7. Okay. If their sum is 66. Now when it comes to the question ratio 4:7, it means we have number 1, we have number 2, and when we cut this all the number, we finally receive the output as 4:7. Simplify. Now the sum of these two numbers is 66. We have asked for the larger number. We are asked to find out the larger number. So again, the same method, if you keep practicing this similar type of question, you will get the enough confidence to solve these type of patterns, right, students? So now let us consider the ratio of number first is 4x. Let us assume that number first is 4x and second number is equal to 7x. All right. Now adding these two numbers is equal to 66. This is mentioned in the question itself, right? Now we have two numbers, that is 4x plus 7x, which is equal to 66. All right, students. Now adding these two, we will get the output as 11x is equal to 66. Right? Simple maths. Now moving ahead, keeping the x here, leave the 11 and put it down below 66 because it is now getting divided on when it's come to right hand side. So we just simplifying it and we get the output, or we can say the value of x as 6. Right? Now we are asked to find out the larger number. So we have these two number, that is 4x and 7x. So solving it, we get the first number, because right now we don't know which one is larger or smaller. After multiplying, we simply get to know that which one is larger and smaller, right? So we simply 4 multiply 6 is equal to again 24, and the second number we have is 7 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 42. So we can easily guess that which one is the larger number. Simply 42 is the larger number. So choosing it among from the option, we will get the correct output as 42, option number D. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, understood the concept, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Subjectsaholic. So thank you all for today.